Here's another way to get something off of a build plate other than, chiseling it or doing whatever. So, as you can see, this is stuck here pretty damn well, and there's no place to grip it. So take a clamp like this that you can probably get on Amazon or Home Depot, put it around this, you push it tight. See, try to get it like that. To do this one-handed, and you just press till it's nice and tight, and then work it back and forth. Oh shit! It's a lot easier when you use two hands. But get it like that. Okay. Make it look a lot more difficult. You can hear it coming up. Let's try to set my phone up here. Set it there. Now that I have two hands, I can actually look at the thing. Press it tight, and lift, rotate around, press tight, there we go, and it's up. Not a lot of damage to the build plate. See here, left a little mark, and the tape's still on the build plate, and we have our object in home. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.